Hi everyone. This week is the week that you're going to have your Word assignment. Your research paper will be due as far as week 6 is concerned. So if you go into your week 6 folder under assignments, you're going to see a listing of things that you need to complete. There's a digital media section, there's a discussion board post, which you have each week, and then you're going to see your Word assignment, which is the computer topic research paper. And you're going to have some information here because what I have you do is to submit it via SafeAssign, which is a product that makes sure that it compares your work against other folks that have done work, and it puts it in a huge database. So that's why you need to make sure you're citing your sources, but you will click on the view and then complete, and then it's going to tell me I can't do this because I have to go to the actual SafeAssign course tool in the control panel and do that. But when you click on it, it's going to give you a link to let you upload your file there. So that's where you're going to. You're going to create it in Word like you always do. You'll click here, and then you'll go in and you'll attach your file that you're going to be submitting. Please make sure you know it is due by 12 noon on Tuesday, November 12th. So I'm not giving you much else to do so that you have plenty of time to work on that. The instructions, again, you've already started because you picked out your topic. But if you're under your assignments, right under week 6, you have your folder for Word assignment, which is your research paper. And so all of the files that you need are located here. So this was the document that I gave you that gave you what you have to have in your paper. There is an example of a paper that's already completed that has everything, and then I also have provided you with the rubric that I'm going to use to grade your assignment, so you'll know what counts for what points and those types of things. Please know this is worth 100 points, so this is your first official test grade in this class. We don't really have tests, we just have larger projects, and this is your first one. So this is going to be worth 100 points, so it's a very big assignment, and please make sure you turn it in on time. If you have any questions about, let me try to move this over a little bit so you can see it, because on my screen it's not showing in the whole process. Just a second. Okay, here was your the instructions and the parts that have to be included in your paper. So again, it's going to be 4 to 5 pages, not including your title page, table of contents, or works cited. So if you do it at 4 pages, you're going to have 5, 6, 7 total in your document. You can set this for double spaced, so you don't have to, it's not quite as much as it may sound, since it is a double spaced paper. You're going to have a title page like you just did with your About You assignment. You've got your margins. You're going to have to do paragraph headings just like you did. You're going to have a footer for your page numbers, your table of contents feature. Again, make sure you have your sources listed and make sure you cite them in MLA format. And I'm going to show you a couple places you can go to get some great reference, or great places to go to actually figure out how to cite your sources. And your last page will be a works cited page. And again, there's an example of that on your under assignments, so that you can see how your paper should look when you're finished. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me and I'll be glad to help.